I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Edge is up to date and signed into your Microsoft account so extensions sync and settings persist. Once done, open the browser, click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Extensions or press Ctrl+Shift+E to jump straight to the Extensions pane. This gives you the control panel where you can view installed add-ons and find the Add Extensions button. From here, you're ready to add or enable tools without extra setup. Now you find and install the extension you need. In the Extensions pane, click Get Extensions from Microsoft Store, then search or browse categories. You should read the description, ratings, and required permissions so you understand why it needs access. Permissions appear in the install prompt. When ready, click Get Then Add Extension. Once added, the extension appears in the list and often shows an icon near the address bar. Make sure to enable it and accept any setup options the developer provides. Finish by managing and troubleshooting your new extensions. Toggle the switch next to any extension to enable or disable it, and click Details to control site access, background permissions, and whether it runs in private windows. Pin important extensions to the toolbar using the puzzle icon for fast access. If an extension misbehaves, disable and reinstall it, clear Edge's cache, or confirm site access under Details. These steps solve most problems without losing your browser profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.